everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. Today we're going to harvest some sweet potatoes. It's over 4 months now. We have seen that they are dying back. We wanted to wait to the 6 months period, but the leaves are dying back, so we're going to see what we have. Alright, so hopefully we have a harvest, so come along and see, and thank you for watching this video. So taking away the beta vines from the soil, hopefully we have something, but if I'm uprooting I should be seeing something at the end, so I don't know what's happening. This is our first time going in bags, and these were placed in the greenhouse. Normally we put them outside and in containers, but we did an experiment to see what will happen this time around. Pulling the vines, I'm not seeing any at the end. All I'm seeing is these long, I'm not sure what is happening because these are almost 5 months old. And I don't know what this is. This must be a big joke because I'm not seeing anything or feeling anything. What? Not even one sweet potato in the bag? This must be a joke. So all we have been growing was just vines. There's not a single potato in this bag. Oh, I can't believe this. What is this? Oh, just some, okay, nothing is that, but that's nothing. Some acupods. This is our 4th time growing sweet potatoes, and this is a big epic fail. I don't even know how to describe it other than that. Nothing in the bag. And we have been successful with the others over the years, but there's nothing, absolutely nothing in this container. I can't believe this. And we're hoping for a big harvest and a better harvest. There's nothing, guys. Doesn't make any sense I prolong this. There's nothing in this container for sure. Oh my. And this bag, I mean, we did everything that was right. Proper nutrients, proper feeding. I don't even know what to say anymore. Let me check the other bag to see if that one will also be a big disappointment. Alright, so this is our second bag. And we planted this one a bit different. The first bag, the plants, the slips were planted horizontally, and this bag the slips were planted vertically upright. So let's see. Again, I'm pulling, not seeing anything attached to the root or the vine roots. Guys, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Not sure what's happening. I mean, the soil is not a clay soil. Soil is well loose. Not a potato. Not a single potato. Oh my. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how to explain this one. This one is a shocker. They were placed in the greenhouse, but I don't think that should have been a problem because inside there is well hot, humid, and you saw how they were growing. Very nice. And they were well fertilized. They were well taken care of. So I'm not sure what is happening. Not a single potato for our efforts. A big disappointment. I mean, I don't even have the words to say. For the 2 bags, nothing. And we did plant out some very nice slips. As you saw before in our previous video, about 4 months ago, you saw the slips and they had well established roots, very thick and nice, and lush. And yet, I don't know what this is. I don't know what's happening. Not a thing. Not one thing. Not a single potato. Not even a little pebble. I'm still digging to find out if that if this is actually real. But there's nothing in the bag. Guys. Whew. Well, as you can see, this was a big epic fail to the maximum degree. But life goes on. Our lives are full of disappointments, but we just have to continue. Same with the garden. We have some good production, some not so good production, but we'll still continue. We're going to continue again because you saw us planting out the purple potato and it is growing some slips. So we're going to try again. The space is an issue though, because we put them in the greenhouse because they could be contained in the greenhouse, and also the whiteflies weren't available, or they were, I mean, when you plant them outside, a lot of whiteflies, but as we put them in the greenhouse, no whiteflies, nothing. So that's why we had them in the greenhouse. But here, I'm not sure how we're going to maximize the space so that we can get another batch of potatoes out here. We'll have to try and do something, but not a single potato. For about 5 months now, not a single potato. You know, disappointment to the max. Yep, that's it right here. If disappointment had a face, this is it. Right in this bag and the other bag. So again, we're going to always encourage you to start that garden one content at a time. But don't start with sweet potatoes because you might not get anything. But start with something that you know will take about 30 days to come, so that you can get used to it and have a high feeling at the end of the day. Crops like radish, lettuce, those easy crops that will produce quickly, so that when you see them, you have a good feel and say, yeah, I harvest something, I'm harvesting something. But this, no sweet potatoes. No sweet potatoes for the first try. 2024 is not the year for us in terms of potatoes. We have been successful before in other years, and we have seen other gardeners not being successful with their sweet potatoes as well. So I guess, I don't know what's happening with 2024, where things are happening. But yeah, do start a garden one content at a time. I'm smiling, but this is no joke. Yeah, but do start a garden one content at a time. Bye.